Welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. I have a stain on my shirt and it's bothering me. Whatever. Today we're making some shrimp Newburg. Bowl for the puff pastry. 2.5 cups of flour. Tablespoon of baking powder. Teaspoon of salt. Mix it. Add 8 ounces of unsalted butter. Cut it into pea size. It's taking way too long. Use an electric mixer. 1.5 cups of cold water and mix it all together. Yeah, you guys know what I'm about. At least I'm wearing a glove this time. Dough. We're going to wrap this up and chill it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Alright, well-floured surface. We're going to roll out our puff pastry. And as promised, today I'll show you the real way to do the trifold. One in center, other in center, and fold it like a book. And roll it out again. Another trifold. Now we're going to wrap this up, put it in the fridge for 20 minutes and repeat the process. Finished dough, we're going to cut out our bases. Discard excess dough. Using a smaller cutting utensil, we're going to cut holes into the tops. Remove the holes and place to the side. On a well-greased baking sheet, we're going to put our bases on first. Using an egg wash, we're going to coat them so that way they can act like a glue for the top. Place tops on, try and keep them as aligned as possible. Throw in the oven for about 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Alright, time to cook the shrimp. We got about a pound of it, and we're going to saute it in about 2 tablespoons of butter until it's halfway cooked. It's about what you want. We're going to take that out, put it in a bowl, but save the juices. Going to adjust heat. Add 2 tablespoons of clam juice. And as much white wine as your little heart desires. We're going to reduce that down till it's just about gone. Here we're going to add 3 pints of heavy whipping cream. Salt to taste. And a little chili powder for color. Stir that all in, let it reduce until it gets to your desired thickness. From here, we're going to add our shrimp back into the sauce. It's okay if the sauce thins out a little bit. We're going to reduce it a little bit more as the shrimp cooks. Whenever you take it off the heat, it'll get back to where you want it. Here we have our finished puff pastry cup. And we're just going to scoop it right on in there. Glorious. Alright everybody, that was shrimp Newburg, quick and easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Enjoy!